Welcome to watching my video. I think your Google Merchant Center has been suspended for misrepresentation. Don't worry, I can fix your Google Merchant Center problem within 5 to 7 days. This is my client website. I have successfully reapproved many Google Merchant Center. February 19, a Spanish client knocked me for fixing his Merchant Center. Then I have started working 22 February and Merchant Center. This is account issue. There are no any issue. Product already active. This is my client store. Contact me my WhatsApp number to get your Merchant Center reapproved. Thank you for watching my video.